Good morning and welcome back, Thunder. I'm Eric.
And I'm Alyssa. Hope you all had a wonderful break. What did you do?
I had a great time in New Mexico.
That sounds great. I didn't travel far. I just went up to Sedona.
Now that we're officially in quarter 3, let's hear today's announcements.
Open practices for spring sports are going on right now. If you want to know more, check the Daily Bolt in your inbox.
Remember that Martin Luther King Jr. Day is on the 20th, so there will be no school on that day.
Thank you to all the seniors who participated in the panoramic this morning.
If you want a copy for yourself, visit the bookstore to pre-order.
Good luck to our cheer team as they participate in state competition this weekend.
Speaking of upcoming events, NHS induction is on the 23rd.
NHS?
It's the National Honor Society. Let's take a closer look.
What a great club.
Yeah, NHS really embodies the school motto and spirit.
We have a lot of school spirit this month. We have both an assembly and a spirit week.
Let's check it out.
You know, a lot of people come and ask me, aren't you the musical chair winner from last year? I say, yes, I am. A lot of people also ask, musical chairs, isn't that luck? But really, what they don't know is it takes a great amount of skill and training to become a musical chair champion. Many of my hours are spent in training here at work. Let me show you a few. Last year, Miss Abner and Coach Hines, they came pretty close to beating me. But this year, and over the last year, what has separated the good from the truly great is hours and hours of preparation and musical chair training.
Miss Dowd has been taking her training for the musical chairs competition very seriously this year. We'll be like trying to have a meeting, or maybe a student will be trying to find her, and she's just not in her office. We don't know where she is.
Yes, I do plan on returning so that I can be back-to-back musical chair champions 2 years in a row. Let's go.
I'm glad our students are already back in the swing of things.
True. You know what our students really excel at? Soccer.
Our soccer team is amazing. Check out the highlights.
Hello, my name's Hayden. I'm a senior. I'm a center back.
I'm Genki. I'm senior left back.
I'm Caleb. I'm a senior. I'm attacking mid.
We want to continue getting result as a team and then growing as a team, and we want to keep grinding.
So when I stepped up to take the pen, I always go the same side. So it's just, staying calm, took a deep breath. I always take a deep breath before I take a penalty, and just sliding it, finding my spot, and then obviously watching it go back into net and celebrating with the boys.
Leading this group, it's a very special team. The players are super respectful. Obviously, as a captain, you have to command respect, and I feel like I've been able to do that with this group, and I just love all the boys for everything they're giving to the team, and hopefully I can keep, leading and keep showing a good example for the team.
And again, Desert Vista, we're Hayden,
Genki,
And Caleb.
Thank you guys for watching, and come out and support us.
Wow, our soccer players really are amazing.
They are. Have you been to the auditorium lately?
No, why?
Our Thunder Theater Company is setting up for a new show.
Really? What is it?
Let's see.
Hi, my name is Mia Egan, and I play Yenchna in Thunder Theater Company's production of Fools. This show is a really fun time. It's about the town of Kulyanchkov, which has been cursed with stupidity for about 200 years. And this teacher, Leon, comes in to try and teach a girl, Sophia, how to be smart so that the whole town can be smart again. And it's filled with a lot of fun hijinks and funny jokes and romance. And it's really good times. You should totally come see it. And don't miss out this Friday and Saturday.
Yuskevich. The shows are this Friday and Saturday.
We have one show on Friday at 6:30 and then two shows on Saturday, 12:30 and 6:30.
You can get tickets on GoFan for $12.
If you need more information, check our posters and Instagram.
Come see Fools!
I'm Bryce, and we're at Fifth Lunch asking people what their New Year's resolutions are. Let's go. All right, I'm here with
Giancarlo
and
Sam.
And what's your guys' New Year's resolutions?
Get ripped and stuff.
What about you?
Be happy.
Fire. All right, I'm here with
James
and
Tito.
And what's your guys' New Year's resolutions?
Get my money up.
What about you?
Have 3 cars by the end of the year.
I'm here with
Aiden.
And what's your New Year's resolution for this year?
I want to go green.
That's great. How are you going to go green?
I'm going to go green.
You heard it here. I'm here with
Kirsten.
And what's your New Year's resolution?
Get more clothes.
Fire. I'm with
Big Mike.
And what's your New Year's resolution, Big Mike?
My New Year's resolution is to continue to be a good person and be considerate of your neighbor. And my wife wants me to stop cussing, so I'm going to try to work on that. But just try to do good things every day. Do good when people aren't watching, because it's easy to be good when people are watching, but do the good thing when people aren't watching. Anyway, Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year's, Big Mike. All right, I'm here with
Danica.
And
Mariah.
What's your guys' New Year's resolutions?
I'll get a job 2025.
And what about you?
I'll get stronger.
Oh, yeah.
Fire. Weren't those some good New Year's resolutions? What's your New Year's resolution?
Every day we let it go. Feel the joy and let it grow. Cole and Joey Weather Show.
Welcome back to the Cole and Joey Weather Show.
Hope everybody had a good break.
Had a good break.
Okay, let me know. How's the weather looking?
Hey nephew, the weather it's cold.
It's cold.
It's cold outside, as you can see here.
Hey, bundle it up. Bundle up. All right. We don't need anybody getting hypothermia at school. That would not be hype.
Or like frostbite. That sucks.
Yeah, no, we're not rocking with that. Okay, coming up, next assembly, this Friday. Our race against Cole and Gordy in sumo suits. And next, girls basketball game.
Be there.
On the 17th, be there, home against
Brophy.
Xavier Prep. Not Brophy. That's the dudes. All right, little birdie told me you got a dad joke of the week for me, Cole.
Do I have a dad joke of the week?
Let me hear it.
I told a joke about chemistry, but it didn't get a reaction.
Shit, lock in, twin. Switch it down, that fool.
All right. And song of the week, The Way I Are by Timbaland. Thank you for watching.
Appreciate it.
Stay tuned for this upcoming assembly and put your money on us, because we on that. All right, and what we got in the back? It's Kanye West.
I like Kanye West.
All right. See you guys.
Well, that's all we have for you this week, Thunder.
Make sure you follow us on all of our social medias at DVHS Thunder Media.
Bye.